In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out in Zapier. Whether you've wrapped up your automation tasks for the day or simply need to switch accounts, logging out of Zapier is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's first navigate to the top right corner of your Zapier dashboard. You'll spot your profile icon there, which serves as the gateway to managing your account settings. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and preferences. It's designed this way to keep your various account tasks streamlined and easily accessible. Once the menu appears, direct your attention to the option that says Logout. This option allows you to securely exit your account, ensuring your data remains protected, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Logging out of Zapier is a good habit to develop to maintain the security of your workflow automations and personal information. The logout process is quick and should only take a moment. After clicking Logout, you might notice a brief flash as the page refreshes. This confirms that the app is processing your request and logging you out of your current session. It's a seamless experience designed to keep things efficient without unnecessary delay or complications. Once you're successfully logged out, you'll usually find yourself redirected to the Zapier login page. This is a clear indication that your previous session has ended, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials if you wish to re-enter the platform. This step serves as an added layer of security by ensuring you actively choose when to engage with your Zapier account. Remember, if you're using a shared device or accessing a public computer, logging out ensures that nobody else can inadvertently gain access to your integrations and automations. It's all about taking those few extra seconds to safeguard your account and the valuable setups you've created in Zapier. In case you encounter any issues logging out, such as the page not refreshing or you still being able to access your settings, you might want to clear your browser's cache or log out again. Sometimes, these minor technical hiccups occur due to temporary browser issues, and just like that, you're all set. Signing out of Zapier is as easy as a couple of clicks, but it's an important step in ensuring your account remains secure. Thank you for tuning into this quick guide, and hopefully this breakdown was helpful in demystifying the sign-out process for you. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools. See you in the next video.